Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakash. Hope you all doing good and you are enjoying your Sunday holiday also. And I bring one good news for you all. Last 2 days before, there is an article in Tamil newspaper, but I saw that news last night only. Once I saw that message, I will be very happy. That is the thing I am going to share with you right now. That is, the people those who are affected by the blood cancer, now there is a medicine available in Adayar Cancer Institute at Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. So hereafter no need to worry about the cancer, because I saw the people, even in my family, my grandfather, last 1 year before, he suffered lot and lot. I saw that pain. It's no words to explain. I know the pain of the cancer. So I'm ready to share this message to you all. And the medicine name is Imitinef Mercilet. This is the medicine name. It's totally free and available in this hospital. I give you the details of the hospital names and their contact phone numbers, so you can directly call and check the availability of the medicine. So please, I am asking you to share this video to everyone. I am not asking for my subscription or my watch hours. I'm heartfully like to share this message those who are suffering from the blood cancer. By your one share, it will help someone's life. So kindly don't hesitate to share this message in your social medias and help others to save their life. Stay healthy, be happy, have a good day. Thank you.